Hello, today you're looking at a Spencer 75 horsepower turbo compression air agitation blower brought to you by Lanco. This unit weighs in at roughly 3,500 pounds. It is 94 inches long, 36 inches wide, and 48 inches tall. On top we have a 8.5 inch outlet and an 8.5 inch inlet. You come to the back here, you can see we have a 75 horsepower motor. Dual voltage can be wired in at both 230 and 460. The RPMs on this motor are 3,500, and it is a 3-phase machine. This unit has been tested over here at Lanco. We'll turn it on for you so you can hear it run. If you're interested in this unit, give us a call, 616-887-8300, or you can visit us online at lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.